You are the icing on my cake. You are the smile I can't replace. You are the way you smile, the way you laugh, the way I can't help but catch your joy, your joy. Metaphorically, this song just says one thing: I love you. That's what I'm telling you. Oh, and there's no irony because I say what I mean. I love you. I love you. You are the minutes of my time. Your inspiration to this rhyme. You are.
How I clean out my hamster's cage time collapse. The first thing I do when I clean out my hamster's cage is remove nutmeg and cinnamon. This is the cage before. The first thing I do is remove all their toys and extras such as the food bowl and the water bowl. Next, I tip out any dirty contents into a plastic bag such as the old food, the litter tray and the sand bath. Next, I detach the tubes from the base by twisting the hinge and removing. Then I tip the dirty contents from the sleeping pod and the tubes into a plastic bag so they're ready to be washed. Then I sweep up all the dirty tumble fresh and place that into the carrier bag. I then remove the dirty masking tape from the wheel and put it into the plastic bag. Number 7, I wash everything in hot water. Number 8, I spray everything down with the cage disinfectant. Number 9, I wipe everything down with kitchen towels. Number 10, I fill up the sand bath with fresh sand. Number 11, I put in fresh tumble fresh. Number 12, I add in all their new toys and accessories so it looks like this. And then, as you can see, they're already happy to see their new home. Unfortunately, I couldn't show everything on camera, such as refilling the sleeping pod, etc., because it was really difficult to film by myself. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe for more pet care videos. Bye!